up, YouTube? Back at you with yet another YouTube video. Today, guys, we will actually be going over what I all did to the Zr1, the first drive pretty much of the Zr1.
Is that Chris? Ship out some hats for street fitteds. If y'all don't know street fitteds, y'all should go follow. If y'all are into hats like these right here, oh damn, hold on. If y'all are into hats like this one right here, these are like all hat club and stuff like that. Sometimes I end up hitting. If I don't hit on my size, I try to hit on other sizes, and I end up selling them on that page. So if y'all do want to go check out that. It is street fitteds, so I'll put that in the description. You know, if y'all are into hats. But yeah, I'm about to pull up to the post office right now and get these hats shipped out. I also made some pins. Those are all sold out. Oh, I actually think I have some right here. I also made these pins right here. You know what I'm saying? Little street fitted pin, little Corvette logo with some H-tan splash to it. You feel me? Alright guys, so we're about to go ship out these hats. Let me catch you on a little bit. Came to get a little wash real quick because she's a little dirty, so we finna give it a little wash, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so before I actually talk to you guys about the car, I actually went and washed the car right now. They had put this right there. I actually went and washed the car right now. As you can see, it's all clean now. I got an idea, guys. I kind of want to do it. I'm trying to wait and see if it's not going to affect anything, but we're on the way to a muffler shop, and I really want to do something. I just don't know if it's going to affect anything, so we're going to wait on the message back from our boy, and we're going to see, because I really want to do this this modification to the exhaust. Huh? What year is it? It's a 2010. Huh? It's a 2010. I won't do it. I won't do it. You like it? Yeah? Appreciate that, brother. Thank you, man. You be safe. That is so dope, man. As you can see, this car just brings smiles to everybody's face, and I love it. You know what I'm saying? I love it. So guys, if you're a true OG, you know where I'm at. You know what I'm about to do. We're about to dump the motherfucking Vette, man. We're gonna see how the Vette sounds dumped. We're gonna do axle dumps, and I'm super excited. Yes, sir. So we're about to do the dumps. I was telling him I'm gonna do the dumps from right here, and they're gonna be turning down like this. So we're gonna get rid of this. Maybe like cool 50 pounds off the car. But yeah, I can't wait to see how it looks, to be honest. No more exhaust. We are dumped, guys. Well, not yet, but exhaust is there. Shit looks wicked.
sounds sick. Dumped the Zr1. Car sounds crazy. As you can hear from the inside, it sounds crazy. We're about to see how it sounds. You know, you already heard how it sounds from outside. So we about to see how it sounds. Maybe doing a little pool or something. This thing sounds crazy. Like absolutely crazy. I don't know, man. Sounds ridiculous, to be honest. And I'm really hoping I can get like at least one pool for you guys. It's looking like the highways in Mexico are very busy right now. So we're gonna have to see. Alright guys, so that'll be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the little content that I put together for you guys. First drive through the dumps on the car. No more exhaust. I knew I wanted to make the car a little louder. It sounds pretty dope. Full throttle sounds crazy, but can't wait to see how the car runs. Next, we are definitely getting a tire, maybe a full drag pack, who knows. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and send it to your Tito. Catch you in the next video.